morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now I am heading towards KTM chamber for changing the fuel pipe. So I'm not sure what difference it would make, but I will give my reviews after changing it. So let's reach chamber KTM showroom. So I have reached chamber, just few kilometers away from the service station, just few meters now. So that's KTM chamber. It's opening now. I will be going towards the service station. I have just installed the petrol pipe and the nut bolts were not available. So I'm not sure what difference it would make by changing the petrol pipe. So people who had purchased in Feb were facing some issue with the petrol flow, but when I had purchased in March, I did not face any issue, touch wood. So they must have feel the difference. I could not find out any difference in my bike.